Yeah, I know in Australia it's school holiday, but why? But it's very quiet. It's very sad.
Should we talk louder?
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Whoo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza area on Kartika Plaza street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will show you how the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza on Kartika Plaza street. Okay, let's see together how busy in this area today. This is like a seafood restaurant down there. Yeah, now I will walking until to Kuta Art Market. Left side, Hotel Melasti Beach Bungalow. I already made video Hotel Melasti Beach Bungalow few months ago, so you can find video down this video. Okay guys, at the front there will be spot bar we call Matilda, will be for sure loud music down there, so I have to hope the natural atmosphere from this area. Yeah, left side at the front, Matilda. Yeah, at the front, this is a seafood restaurant. Right side, also on left side. Yeah, futuristic in this restaurant. Early dinner, but no dinner time yet. I make this video on 5 p.m. So this is the situation at the moment on Kartika Plaza Street on 5 p.m. Not really busy, isn't it? This is another art market. And this is the stadium, James Blanket down there. Stadium, spot bar, also for famous and legend. Not really busy, isn't it? Not so many tourists in this area in the afternoon. Okay, let me show you how the section at the moment in Kuta Art Market. Maybe busy down there. Also not really busy. Pretty quiet in this area. Wow, why so quiet? Hello. How are ya? Yeah, loud music down there. I cannot make video. Let me show you a little bit how look like the section at the moment at Kuta Art Market. Yeah, this is Kuta Art Market area. Not really busy, isn't it? Okay, let's go further. Oh, few trees down there. Look quite busy. That's good. Let me show you a little bit how the situation at the moment inside area of Kuta Art Market. Also not really busy actually. Very sad. So quiet.
Aja nih.
Did you see that? This looks so empty, isn't it? No tourists come to this art market now, but we hope together in this area is getting more busier soonly. Actually, there is a lot selling different stuff in this area. I mean, in this art market, but how come it's just very quiet?
Yeah, very quiet.
Just very quiet. Kuta Art Market is getting busier soon. Halo Mbak.
Yeah.
Ampura. Yeah, I hope together Kuta Art Market it will be getting more busier and busier, and a lot of tourists doing shopping in this art market. Anu buat YouTube dulu sebentar, biar rame di sini. So, did we see together? Just very quiet, isn't it? Let's go other side. Actually, we have like first floor, second floor, third floor. But today I just want to show you how large the situation at the moment at the first floor at Kuta Art Market. This is happening again because few months ago when I make video in this art market was not really busy, but today also looks so very quiet. But we hope together again we're getting more busier soon in Kuta Art Market. Me, rame me. Mana orang-orangnya me? Yeah, this is the toilet. Okay guys, so this is our journey today at Kuta Art Market. Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
All the pretty girl. Have shopping, yeah? Have good shopping. Ooh, nice. Still very quiet here. Very quiet.
Is it?
Yeah. I know in Australia it's school holiday, but why? But it's still very quiet. It's very sad.
Should we talk louder?
Yeah.
And who's on there?
So say again?
On that? YouTube?
Yeah, I make YouTube because update session in Bali.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. Okay.
Because so many tourists they're missing Bali, they want to know the update session every day.
Oh, right.
Okay then. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Yeah, still very quiet so far in this art market. But we hope together, as I told you, step by step we'll be getting more busier and busier in this art market. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Kartika Plaza Street and also Kuta Art Market. So what do you think? It's pretty sad, isn't it? Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Kartika Plaza, also Kuta Art Market. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ooh. Quiet, quiet. Why so quiet?